Hey, welcome in. My name's Darius and this is DronesPlus. Let me show you around a little bit. So what we do here at DronesPlus is expertise in DJI product, right? Specifically their consumer side as well as their enterprise side. And let me just show you the basics here. So first we have the Mavic Mini, which is a pretty good entry-level consumer drone. And then moving up from that, we have the Air 2S. A lot of people love this, from roofers to real estate agents to hobbyists. It's sort of a drone you can use as a toy and a tool. Then moving on, we have our Inspire 2. This is a movie maker's best friend right here. A lot of the action films you see nowadays are shot with these guys. Moving on, we have our first enterprise drone. You'll see that this is a dual camera. It's called the Enterprise Advanced. Not only do you have RGB, but there you also have a 640 thermal. Moving on, over here is the latest addition to the Matrice series. This is the Matrice 300. The Matrice 300 comes with a lot of different payloads. As you'll see here, we have the newest and latest and greatest LiDAR system. To its right, you have the DJI P1, great for photogrammetry and mapping solutions. And then over here, we have the Zenmuse H20T. You'll see that there's quite a few different lenses on here. You could use thermal, you have a laser rangefinder, you have your basic 12 megapixel, and then you have your 200 times zoom. So now that you know a little bit about our product, let me show you what we do around the shop. So as you'll see here, we have our front end. This is mainly just for customers to come in, drop drones off, have a little chat with us about what exactly they are trying to do and what it is that they need. Back here, you'll see that we have all of our repairs. These back here are incoming drones, and then those to my left are the outgoing drones. And half of our business here at DronesPlus isn't just helping customers with solutions and finding ways that make their lives easier and their workplace easier, but also to help them fix their drones when they have any damage to them. So not only can we help fix your drone, not only can we help find you solutions with drones at the workplace, but we can also help you sell your drones here with our consignment program. And you'll see on our consignment program, these are used drones from customers as well as accessories. You'll see we have a Phantom 4 here. We have a bunch of TB55s for your Inspire 2s that we spoke about earlier. We have Mavic Pros, and we also have a couple charging stations here that are for sale. So if you guys are interested in any way about solutions for work, about hobbyist drones, right? About just having fun, any of those sorts, even if you need a repair, come and check us out. We're here, we're gonna help you out, we're gonna work with you, we wanna work with you. So we'll leave our contact in the description below. That's the address as well as the store phone number. Again, my name's Darius here, but anybody here is gonna wanna help you out. So come and see us, give us a try.